Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for beginners. First, visit the PayPal website or download their mobile app. Click the Sign Up button and follow the simple steps to create your account. You will need to provide your email address, create a secure password, and enter some basic personal details. Choosing a personal account is suitable for most individual users. This initial setup takes only a few minutes to complete. Once your account is active, you will need to link a payment method. This typically involves connecting a bank account or a debit or credit card. PayPal will send two small deposits, often just a few cents, to your bank account for verification purposes. You simply enter these amounts back into your PayPal account to confirm ownership. This step ensures secure and seamless transactions for you. Sending money through PayPal is straightforward. Navigate to the Send and Request tab and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. You can then specify the amount you wish to send. For personal transfers to friends or family within the same country, there are typically no fees. However, sending for goods and services or international payments may incur a small percentage fee, usually around 3%. Receiving money is simple. Once someone sends funds to your PayPal email, it immediately appears in your balance. To request money, navigate to the Send and Request section and select the Request option. Enter the sender's email and the desired amount. You can then transfer your PayPal balance to your linked bank account, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days to process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.